Cats seem to be gentle and loving pet animals that apparently can't cause any damage. However, the pointed cat claws and sharp teeth are more than enough to damage clothing, upholstery, curtains, furniture, carpet, etc. And of course, cats have a hunch to scratch, climb, and knock over items when exploring and having fun in the surroundings. Because in this article by Fixing Expert, we'll answer all your queries regarding a cat's instinctive behavior, the explanation of cats' destructive behavior for climbing curtains and scratching sofas. Cats are not the only ones in the group of feline animals who are inquisitive and display an inclination toward climbing, scratching, and knocking over stuff. Yes, all other felines show these behavioral characteristics, but only cats are most commonly kept as household pets. 1. A means of communication, behavioral conveyance. Pet cats showing destructive behavior and inclination toward such noxious activities is a normal thing. The first and foremost reason for displaying this kind of behavior is that cats are creating communication marks for fellow cats. 2. Being prolific in behavior. You must have noticed that cats will mostly scratch items that are completely in view, like curtains, sofa cushions, carpets, etc. And there's an unlikely chance to witness the other way around this scenario. That's because cats are among the smartest creatures in the animal kingdom and deliberately want to be expressive about their behaviors. 3. Peculiar carpet lacerations. You'll notice not all cats prefer to climb curtains, scratch sofas, and knock over items. But some of them are more inclined toward scraping carpets and playing with other floor items. Mostly, you'll see this happening with cats that are raised from the start by a single owner. 4. Medical illness. The root cause of a cat's destructive behavior is always not obvious, and there can be a medical condition associated with this behavior. Yes, your pet cat may be suffering from some sort of health problem that you're unaware of, most commonly happens. To get to know if that's the case, you will need to take your cat to the veterinarian for a general health checkup. Cats are playful animals that show a natural inclination toward climbing and scratching surfaces. In this article, we have explained various authentic reasons for the question of why cats climb curtains and scratch sofas.